I won an Amazon gift card from a survey I had completed and used most of it to purchase this device. It took 7 days to reach my front door and it passed through Panama and Venezuela on its way to Trinidad. Amazon estimates import fees and adds that to your total as a deposit. This turned out to be a hassle-free experience for me. Iconic Amazon box. Simple and clean packaging. This is a third-party Alexa-enabled device where you press a button to talk to Alexa. DOGO is short for Do As What You Want, Go For Which You Need. The smaller box inside contains a USB charging cable and an auxiliary audio cable. Comes in 3 colors, blue, brown and grey. I chose the grey one. Ports are located at the back. Alexa button is on the front and the dial at the top controls the volume. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggle button and power button below. Small, neat, fancy looking and budget price. Look out for my first impressions video and then my full review in the coming days.